Hey there, this is Mickey3193. This is a video I've been meaning to get done for a while. It was originally nominated on Instagram by Tom North. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be an Instagram or a YouTube one, because Count5 has nominated me on YouTube to do it. So I'm going to get it done here. And this is my top 5 pickups. Get straight into it. So my number 5 is probably going to have to be the Camino. Just love the shape of this thing. It's really cool. I mean, it's not a huge for a pickup, but still awesome nonetheless. So that's my number 5. And then for my number 4, it's going to have to be the Chevy Silverado. Now this is a Maestro one. I think you see that all examples are pretty awesome, and the Matchbox and the Hot Wheels version all look pretty cool. And then in that number 3, it's going to have to be the C10. This is the Greenlight Country Roads C10. It's a beautiful looking truck. Got your little toolbox in the back there. Just love the style of this. The whole shape, the detail on this thing's absolutely beautiful. Lovely little truck. And then I would say it's going to have to be following that onto Chevy again. And it's the K1500. Now this thing just looks like an absolute beast. It's nice in both colourways. Love the green trim on this yellow one. I've also got it all blacked out on that one. So I'd say that's going to be number 2. And then at number 1 has to be, without a doubt, going to the Dodge A100. So which for this video, I'm going to crack open this one here and the one that Drew Mitchell sent me. I had this one sat in the packet for a while, and I think this is the best time to get them cracked open. There we go. So nice. Never got around to finding the purple one of these, or the black one, the more recent one. But these are both awesome little trucks. So cool, them. Love them trucks. And the only other one, I suppose, which would have been a number 6, would have been the 62 Custom, which is an awesome truck. Really good for customizing possibilities. Always nice paint job on them. So I suppose that's the honourable mention. Really nice truck. So yeah, that's it for my 5. To the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. That's my 5 there. I'll pop that picture up onto Instagram for my top 5 on there. I'm not sure. I've not seen many videos on YouTube so far, so I'm not sure if this was just an Instagram one. I know, I'll say Count 5 did it and nominated me, so I've not seen many of us doing videos. So I want to nominate to do a video of their top 5 pickups, trucks. Jimmy Mitchell 24/7, for Vichy Boy 87, ToyCarCollector.com, Hot Wheels Carvids 001, and Gabba Devil 12. And with that, I'll say, as always, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and see you later.